water. This is cold water. This is green tea, fresh green tea. This cold is Tami Aba. Tami Arba. This is filter or uh, mineral water. This is filtered water. As you can see, it's green tea. This is fresh green tea from the farm. So you can see it goes like this. So it means there is no enough hot water, so it make boil again before we dispense. We produce hot water.